this coffee is actually really good. Have you guys ever been there before?
I have. Nafi, this is your first time, right?
Yeah, this is my first time. I think the food is really nice and the toast bread is really good. Oh guys, have you ever heard about the new movie Demon Slayer? I heard the story is way different from the manga. So I'm so curious.
Oh, the one movie comes out next month, right? I've heard about it before. They say the storyline is way different from the manga, which makes me really want to watch it.
Really? At first I think it would be the same. And now I'm so excited. Abdillah, are you gonna watch it?
Oh, I think so. Probably, I will gonna watch it with some of my friends. Maybe two of mine. We should go watch it all together sometimes.
It sounds great. I have meaning to see that one.
I want to invite my friend too. May I?
Yeah, that's actually a really good idea. The more people, the more fun it will be.
Bye.
So 60 cat then.